Hello kids! After learning phonic sound, CV blends and two-letter words, today we are going to learn about three-letter CVC words with the help of short vowel A. आज हम इस वीडियो में शॉर्ट vowel A की मदद से three-letter words के बारे में जानेंगे. Now the question is, what is CVC words? CVC वर्ड्स क्या है? CVC means कॉन्सोनेंट प्लस वॉवेल प्लस कॉन्सोनेंट है. इस पैटर्न को फॉलो करके जो वर्ड्स पढ़े और लिखे जाते हैं उनको CVC वर्ड्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बैट, इसमें B कॉन्सोनेंट, A vowel and T another consonant है, तो ये वर्ड CVC वर्ड्स कहलाएगा. Kids, all vowels have family group and we can make CVC words with all vowels. In this video, we are going to learn A family words. So let's start. First word is bat. 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 Next is cat. 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 Next is fat. 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 Next is hat. Hat. Next is mat. Mat. Next is rat. Rat. Next is sat. Next is Wet. Now repeat these words. Bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, rat, sat, wet. Let's see more words. Dam. Next is ham. Next is jam. Next is ram. Next is Sam. Next is yam. Repeat these words. Dam, ham, jam, ram, sam, yam. We will see more words. Ban. Next word is can. Next is fan. Next is man. Next is pan. Next is ran. Next is tan. Next is van. van. Repeat these words. Ban, can, fan, man, pan, ran, tan, van. Next word is bad. 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 Next is cad. 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 Next is dad. 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 Next is fad. 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 Next is had. 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 Next is lad. 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 Next is mad. 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 Next is pad. 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 Next is sad. 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 Repeat these words. Bad, cad, dad, fad, had, lad, mad, pad, sad. See more words. Cap, cap, cap. Next is gap, gap, gap. Next is lap, lap, lap. Next is map, map, map. Next is nap, nap, nap. Next is wrap, wrap, wrap. Next is sap, sap, sap. Next is tap, tap, tap. Repeat these words. Cap, gap, lap, map, nap, wrap, sap, tap. With the help of vowel A, we can start new words. Bag, bag, bag. Next is fag, fag, fag. Next is gag, gag. Next is lag, leg, leg. Next is nag, nag, nag. Next is rag, rag, rag. Next is sag, sag, sag. Next is tag, tag, tag. Next is wag, wag, wag. Next is zag, zag, zag. Now repeat these words. Bag, fag, gag, lag, nag, rag, sag, tag, wag, zag.